This video demonstrates how to run a custom Python application on a Gearlinx device using containers. The device used in this demonstration is a Gearlinx NR4400 management appliance that is running firmware version 23.7.103. This demonstration also uses GitHub to build the application container image, and push it to GitHub's Container Registry where it will be available privately. You will need a GitHub account to follow this guide, or alternatively build the container image and push it to a registry from your own computer. On github.com, go to Gearlinx's Gearlinx Py serial template repository. A link is in the description. This repository contains a Hello World Python script that periodically writes a message to a serial port and waits for a response, a Docker file that describes the Python version and packages used in the container image, and a simple makefile build system. The README explains how to develop and test this on your own computer. Click Use this template and then create a new repository. Name the repository, and in this example it is made private. Click the Create button and a new repository is created with files copied from the template. A GitHub action is immediately started to build the image containing the Python script. To be able to pull private images from GitHub's Container Registry, ghcr.io, the Gearlinx device requires an authentication token. On the User menu, open the Settings page. At the bottom of the navigation menu, open the Developer settings. Under Personal Access Tokens, click Classic Tokens. Click the Generate New Token for Classic. Enter a description in the Notes field, and select the Read Packages permission. At the bottom of the page, click Generate Token. Copy the generated token. On the Administration menu of the Gearlinx device's web interface, click Compute and then Container Images. Click Add Image Registry. Enter the ghcr.io domain name into the Location field. Enter your GitHub username into the Username field. Paste the token into the Password field. Save the configuration and the device can now pull your private images from ghcr.io. Return to GitHub and navigate to the new repository. The GitHub action has completed successfully and the repository lists one package. The package is the container image, which is built for x86-64, ARM64, and 32-bit ARM devices. The image is built and pushed to the registry whenever changes are pushed to the Git repository's main branch, and all versions will be available here. Copy the image name from the installation instructions, and return to the Gearlinx device's web interface. Open the container's configuration and add a new container. Give it a name and click Add Container. On the Image tab, paste the image name. On the Network tab, for this demonstration, host networking is chosen for simplicity. On the Serial Ports tab, click Add Serial Port Access and select a serial port on the Gearlinx device. In the character device path, enter /dev/tty0, which is the path to the serial port inside the container that the Python script expects. Now, the selected serial port must be reserved for the container. Go to the Serial Ports Administration and click the name of the serial port. Change the mode to Container Use. Return to the container and save the configuration. The device will pull the container image from ghcr.io and start the container. Once it is running, open the Connect menu and find the container's logs. Here we see the logs of the image being downloaded, and the Python script running. The Python application has been successfully deployed to the device. This NR4400 has a loopback plug connecting the serial ports receive and transmit signals, so any message written to the port is read back. The Python script can be modified to perform any required function, and the updated container image is privately distributed using ghcr.io. Gearlinx 0 can be used to deploy new versions of the container image to many devices at once. For more information on Gearlinx products, visit gearlinx.com. More technical videos are available on the Gearlinx YouTube channel.